Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X2 Lite, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's start with opening the contact list, because I want to show you how to block the contact which we've got currently saved. Let's find this contact, tap on it, and then pick the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Add to Blocklist and confirm it. And as you can see, we've got this information that it has been added to the blacklist, which simply means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this because I want to check if it worked and if it will appear on the blacklist. So the second way of blocking the number requires entering the settings. So in the contacts or calls, it does not really matter. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter block and filter. We do not have any information right here, but no worries. Tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and again block and filter. And as you can see, here we've got our block list, so we can tap on it, and this is the number we just blocked from our contact. So the previous way also works. Here you can also add the number just by tapping on this plus icon. And as you can see, you can select the number from the contacts, block by prefix, and enter the number. So we can manually enter it or paste it if we've got it copied, and tap on block. In the same situation, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. Of course, we can edit it, which simply means that we can remove those numbers from the list. Just mark them and tap on remove. And as you can see, they will disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.